Ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers at home, Sanmonani, and welcome to another exciting episode of ANGISAKUFUNI Konalagu CMTV. My name is Mr. Juice SA. Jengenjayelo, guys. I'm bringing you guys everything juicy when it comes to umjolo. You know what it is at CMTV, all over social network, and of course, hashtag ANGISAKUFUNI. This is a beautiful show where you actually bring someone who's actually effing you up on the mjolo department, because you know why? You don't want them anymore. You bring them on this show so that you can have that clean breakup. And I am that guy. I'm very good when it comes to making sure with him, he break up, he clean, and the next person does get the message. Listen, namhlanje isiqephu sethu namhlanje siyashisa be. Lama couple, they've been together for 1 and 6 months. So that means it's 1 year and a half. Okay, we have later, we are cheater. And ungati uchisa khona la kusekela. But I don't want to tell the story. So the beautiful lady Talk is right here in the studio. She's going to be joining me shortly to tell the side of her story. And then later on, Uga is going to join us so that we can try and speak deeper things about this situation. Hashtag ANGISAKUFUNI Konalagu CMTV. It's Mr. Juice SA. Ungaindao siyabuya. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is still your favorite show, ANGISAKUFUNI Konalagu CMTV. If you just joined us, Lalela, you haven't missed out a lot. Hashtag ANGISAKUFUNI. So, before the ad break, I told you guys there's a beautiful lady by the name of Talk. She's all the way from Chawela, Soweto, in the south of Johannesburg. She has been in a relationship with this guy for over a year and a half. And look, guy, ungathi uyafleta, ungathi uyachitha khona la kusekele, ungathi ushaya ezamampintsha ezokutexa amanye ama celebrity, and then ebese uphepso dumo abe namahloni or abe embarrassed when she's around other celebrities. So injalo nalendaba lo, uguy uyachitha khona la kusekele ka Talk, and then manje Talk, she's uncomfortable with that. She's not happy with that because they've been together for a year and a half. So now she just want to end it. That's why she wrote an email to hashtag ANGISAKUFUNI Konalagu CMTV. As hi man, guys, aning sizeni nonke no juicy ngifuna ukumiyekela lo mjida lo. But anyways, keep us trending at CMTV all over social network. And I am Mr. Juice SA. I am not going to waste this lady's precious time. I'm going to let Talk to join me so that she can speak to us. Come through.
Guys, good day.
Oh, you spooty food.
Yes.
For people that are watching at home, please tell us a little bit about yourself. Just for viewers to have a bit of you.
Okay, my name is Tokmate. I'm from Shawela, Extension 2.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhule kahle ekhaya sibisi 4. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. And
so when you are the third
I'm
one.
the last born.
Last born?
Yes. And my parents are still alive, both of them.
Yeah.
But now they are living at Limpopo. Yes. Zilela Soweto because of iskolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngifunda khona lapha eJip. Yeah, it's cool.
Oh.
And then qedelela college South SWGC.
Oh, great.
Lapha eRandburg.
Manje ke so sibhalela. Uhlangane kanjani ugayi ubani ugayi?
Ugayi uTK.
Yeah.
Uhlala khona lapha eSouth khona eSoweto.
Nihlangane kanjani?
Angithi sihlala ndawonye sihlangane emall eGardens. Yeah, yena wafuna amanamba and then sakhuluma through phone. Sahlangana saya kuma date as usual.
Yeah, then you ended up giving.
Yeah, the relationship was good, funny, and he was committed to that relationship.
Yeah.
But
and then what kind of activities when he says that he invites to like to create memories together, you know?
Yes,
Since you
you
say
see,
he was very committed, couples.
Most of things we do together, like going for shopping, is sometimes it's time motor casino
Like
just for fun. Yes, senza bowling.
I see.
Vacation.
Yeah,
it's kind of yes.
Guys, I'm not having it. It's not working.
Waqala yena wachange vele angithi umuntu wakho uyamyazi ukuthi lo muntu wami and the most of the things siyenza together but manje waqala yena mangithi maybe sihambe siye somewhere wathi hayi mina ngifuni what's distance
excuses
yes yeah sometimes ngithi ngiyeza lapho kuwathi angikho mina ngiyahamba ngiyamchola ngithola ukuthi ukhona mara ngitshela ukuthi yena ngekho yes yo uzothi
but mengayenza kanjalo excuse ukuthi akekho
mangifika uzothi
ngomtholenzani kanti
ahleli nje abusy ngefoni
kusho ukuthi akufunwa wena
yes
wongafuneki la
yes and then mina ngiyaforce.
So and then ngiyabona leyo ukuthi okay that's a red flag ukuthi okay mhlawumbe umuntu asakufuna ukusebenzisa isikhathi nawo isikhona ezinye izinto is there any other things that you realize with now and it's not the way, it's not working anymore?
Yes, because I need to avoid.
Yeah,
mangifuna ukungibona yena ngana isikhathi sami ngiyamfonela ngabamba ama-call yami uyangiblutika uyabona ukuthi uyafoster lo muntu angasakufuni and then ngafanda out ukuthi kunemuntu ufilter naye efonini angiyazi ukuthi bahlangene oro kanjani mara ngathi bayajola laba bantu.
So it just gave you assurance ukuthi no since beseng avoid that and then now there's this conversations efonini yakhe ubone kanjani ama conversation efonini?
Angithi ifoni yakhe password ngiyayazi.
So you are so lucky. They've been avoiding you for a very long time, and they still haven't changed the password.
Yes.
Do you think he was just careless, or he literally forgot to change the password? Maybe or bekuyindlela
angiyazi ukuthi ngathi bafuna yena ukuthi ivele find out.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
Because if angafuni ukuthi ngiyazi
because block
obazo change password ku phone yakhe.
But that was going to be questionable.
Why?
You were going to question it. With why now I don't have access to your phone? Maybe it was a way of playing it safe from his side.
So.
I don't know. So when you find it out, then now you find out, you see the messages and stuff.
Yes.
What did you do in that time?
I was emotional, angry. I didn't know how I felt because I was like, I don't know what to do.
Did you confront?
Yes.
Or you just went straight to
confront him, but I was like, no, he's my classmate. I don't know.
I am only excusing that.
Yes, he was like, it's my home girl.
Yeah.
Kanjani why mina ngingamiyazi lo muntu.
So ngoba sowulana ke are you sure ukuthi vele you cutting you want nothing to do with this relationship? Like it. So I'm going to take you to the shop. Then I'm going to ask him to join us. So I want you to have this conversation now so that he understands why I'm she. Understand?
Yes.
Just don't be shy. Open up and share exactly how you feel. Because when the producers, Awoli and Wakhe and the other guys showed me the email that you wrote, I saw with Norman, basically, like you were really broken into pieces. But I'm just glad that I can see his put at least you still smile here and there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is like that. Talk is still with us, sharing his side of the story. But we're going to take a short break. So is going to join us because I don't want to take sides. And then only to find out which I'm being unfair because the next party haven't really shared their side of the story. So Masbuya, Umchituto best joiner. You can keep us trending right there. Hashtag ANGISAKUFUNI on CMTV. It's your Mr. Juice. Siabuya. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is still your favorite show, ANGISAKUFUNI, Konalago CMTV. It's hosted by yours truly, Mr. Juice SA Lalelan. Umjolo. Hey, Nina, Umjolo. Umjolo. Even Umshado. Lalelani. Before the ad break, I had a conversation with you, talk, and I must say, thank you so much for writing to us. And because I mean, you are saying, Uzi, you was very committed good relationship, so it was easy of you to observe and to see, Uzi, no, this person is detaching away from me, is like drifting away from this relationship. All the time if you want to make time. And you have been given quality time all this time long. So now, next thing, Munta suspend discussing now, and then that's when you saw it now. Yes, someone replaced you. So, like I said before the ad break, I'm gonna call him to join us. So I want you to share exactly how you shared your story with me, so that he can probably get the message clear with some phone now and understand. So, ladies and gentlemen, and all the viewers at home, without wasting his card, Saraputiza, he's right here with us. So, producers, Mr. Lee, can I have Utach? Brother. Investment lent. Shabo ma take in. Shabo ma take in. All right, Simpez.
What's going on for it?
Grand, thank you so much for showing up. Let's lili mama lakho lana and ngiyabona ukuthi nazana kahle.
Kwenze njani sesivela ku TV manje?
Inhle le ndaba. Siyashadisa. Siyashadisa. Lalela Mpezi, for people that are watching at home, just a little bit about yourself. Uthi ubani? Umtshito wazwani umtshito njani kasi lakho?
Yeah, sure bafethu. Hayi mina bafethu igama ngo-TK bafethu. Bangazi njengomjito oculakho.
Yeah.
Organize ama event ezifana nalezo.
So ula ebantwini ula.
Bese ngihlale nginabantu mfethu.
And then ustufuza lana utalk umazi kanjani?
Mama slo mfethu, yazi mama sendlini mfethu.
And ilona relationship yakho naye ungayimethi nje umuntu, please describe your relationship to me. I'm very curious. Ungayibeka uthini nje, ungavela uthini nje nge-relationship yakho?
Mfethu, yazi i-relationship imnandi mfethu, yazi mina ngicomplain, angikubone ngicomplainela kwamanje mfethu, yabo. Kwamele ngicomplain mfethu.
I know Nqasimende. I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you very much.
Yeah.
My sister talk, so you wrote to us an email and like kunodaba ongasi aliphesanga kahle. You wrote to us and then you asked me to select umuntu wakho usho nizokhona ukukhuluma. So with me and you, we spoke before the ad break. So I would like to give you this opportunity now, or this moment now, to khulume nami, exactly what you told me. Everything.
Okay.
Ube emotional the way mind you are emotionally, if you happen to be, whatever kind of feeling that you would have at this moment, just let it be.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, babe. Ngilethelana because mina angisayifuna le relationship because ngiyabona ukuthi ukhona umuntu umtholile wena. Ngitshelile le ndaba uthi wena ucheat. Ngiyakhumbula mara wena uhlala avoida, ngiyakufonela ubamba ama calls yami, ngiyablutika, angiyazi manje ukuthi Why uyenza so?
Maye wena wenkosazana Nkosi yami uhlulu ukuthi ucazulula udaba lokho endlini uzoletha kubo TV.
Mara ngithi ngizamile ukuthi ngikhulume nawe wathini wena?
Hayi phela bense ngakasithola isikhathi ukuthi ngaxoxa nawe ngendlela eyanele.
Mara unasikhathi samusa.
Ngindoda ephishanekile ngumatasatasi yakwazi lokho.
Since when? But we've been together for 1 year 6 months now.
Yeah, but ke anti masiqhubeka siphila la empilweni kungale nkathi kuba busy kuqhubeka nako kuba kuningi angithi phela nama demands ayakhuphuka now awameli.
As far as I know ukuthi ufu umuntu uyamthanda yenza isikhathi for yena even if ungaba busy kanjani mara waye mina ngihlale ngiyenza isikhathi for wena
awuyidinga imali endlini awukudinga ukudla
ngiyayidinga mara
awufuni siphume out siyobona ukuthi siba busy ngani. Ngiyazibuzela nje mama awukudingi lokho.
Ngiyakudinga mara wena always ubusy.
Busy ngindoda.
Even a weekend.
Ngindoda busy kulapho khona kufika imali eningi ke ngeweekend.
Hayi bafo. Hold up. Asibambe nje khona lapho. I'm not trying to attack you. But the statement let's go to Busbea man just say you are a man, you are busy. It was not there when you're not a man. That time when I've been in a relationship when you manage to make time for quality time for your relationship. So I'm going to confuse the power as Wesley's. So I don't want us to misuse role yakho. Ngizwana statement let's so ukuthi you are busy. Umuntu wesilisa I understand now. That time when you manage to have quality time for a relationship, are you trying to say you were not a man, you were still a boy?
Angithi ke mfowethu lapho ke bengisengakathola isikhathi sokuthi mhlambe ngisebenze o ngibe nendlela la ngingakhona ukuthi ngaxhumanisa izinto khona imali ngikwazi ukuyifaka ngalendlela manje sengiyifaka ngakhona ngithi so njengamanje ama demands ayakhuphuka siyakhula nathi iminyaka emile ziningi izinto ekumele sizenza ngithi mfowethu.
Demands with demands. I want us to get it clear. I would love for the viewers at home to get it clear from you. My demands, so it's my demands. What kind of demands? Is it work demands or my demands that needs you to be away and make money and only just send money? So what kind of demands are those?
Ngimina mfowethu nje ngikubekisela ngithi sengikhulile iminyaka emile.
Yes.
Sikhulile ngithi mama. Sekuphela unyaka sazana nawo 6 months lokho futhi njengamanje sekumele ngilungise izinto zokuthi hayi nasekhaya bayamazi bayambona kumele mabambona afika ngendlela ekhaya engicabanga ukuthi bangamjabulela ngakhona kumele ngim-introduce ngibalethe nabo bajabule naye sekudinga ukuthi ngimshada senze izinto ezifana nalezo kodwa ke mase sezovela ku TV mina manje ngathi seyanga ukumxaka yonke lento manje.
Viewers at home, I hope you guys are still following the story. UTK, he doesn't have time anymore because he's busy preparing to take the relationship to the next level and it needs to ask financial support. That's why he doesn't have time or quality time for a relationship. But umbuzo wami is going straight to both of you. Whoever can answer it first, fine. I'll be fine. I hope someone at home won't be lost within the story. Maybe UTK is working hard, doesn't have time because my demands are becoming too much or they're becoming a lot because the relationship may be equally. Are you both on the same page regarding that, or will pay all up?
No.
Now Uti, she's not aware, she's not on the same page as you.
She's not, bro.
Where's that? Because it's the two of you that are in a relationship. So now Uti it's more like that is very important towards the relationship. Why are you not communicating? And what's the relationship?
Uyambona mfowethu nje namanje uyacomplaina ukuzolunga njani acomplain
My question was very direct to both of you. Are you guys on the same page? Omunye is working so hard to take the relationship to the next level. Are you both aware of that?
No.
Why? In a new relationship, nobody so baby, I don't have time because I'm not making time. Not that you don't have time. I'm not making enough time because ngikhomisa emsebenzini khona into ezami uyiphusha eyandilandi uyakhumbula ukuthi ngifuna ukusisenze ngaso manje uyahamba wena bakho lo organize ama event wakho imama lakho alazi noma uyadinga i-extra hand nawe wena talk uke waba nesikhathi la like you let him know ukuthi this is how you feel about things and this is how you feel like things have changed.
Yes.
And what was the response?
Usakhumbula mangithola ama-chat yakho nalota?
No. Ngiyabona ama-chats sizoya ke ama-chats ngoba bafo ongathi wena ubusy umatasatasa. Ngisho regarding time, him not making quality time. Have you communicated about that? And yes. What was his response?
It was like I'm always busy because that's why I don't have time for you. But once I get time, I will make sure that I make it up to you. But nothing happened.
Bafu? When she says, but then nothing happened, when she opened up, when she communicated with you, don't make time anymore. Can't we now, I'll consider it. Because Kazlam, you can be busy. You even do so much English. Unesikhathi somfazi wakhe unesikhathi sama girlfriend achitha nawo ngoba uyabazi somathekisi so when she communicated with you don't make enough time anymore, I'm not happy with it, and then you said baby I'll make time, and then
hayi ke mfowethu lokho ngiyakuzwa impela uma ungabheka kahle nawe indoda mfowethu uma kungukuthi ebudodeni uhlala ubhizi mawufika ekhaya usuku udinga ukurelax angithi ingqondo irelax angithi manje angikwazi ukuthi ngifike endlini ngithola umuntu uyakhuluma ekseni ntambama ebusuku yebo lonto leyo mfethu and then nami kungiqedela nomdlandla na everything,
and then which led you to the phone conversations that we discovered. Awuyibeke nale ndaba le phone oke wangifahazela awuyibeke awuke umbuzise kahle ngayo mhlawumbe ukhona umstress esadini ngempela or mhlawumbe you were seeing things ungathi mhlawumbe bese uguze kakhulu ugowa and then you started seeing things, so oyibeke la kuye ngizoyizwa kahle nambafo ngim-understand.
Usakhumbula ngithola ukuthi wena uyafilta nomunye ugele lapha ku phone yakho ku WhatsApp wathini wena uwomgele wakho?
Hayi indaba kaPalisa ngithi sasiyikhulumile
mara uPalisa ukusendela kanjani ama nudes?
These nudes.
Yes.
Yazi wemama Nkosi yami yazi thina amadoda sinokugileka endleleni yayibona into leyo. Kushuthi akusho ukuthi mangigileka ngisuke ngiwumuntu wrong or ngisuke ngakakhona sadirisha ama feelings akho. I do nedi ke yona mama kushuthi uPalisa wena mama sahlangana then yavese neyaphela lapho indaba kaPalisa. uPalisa bengiyakuyena mawuqala lezi inkinga zakho zokukhuluma too much. Ngeke ngikumele lokho. Ngiyindoda mina ngimthanda umfazi okhuluma too much.
Mara this thing yakuthi wena uyaflita iqale kudala.
Ngiyindoda ngiyawenza ama mistakes.
Awu bafo. Hayi bafo.
Mara uPalisa when uyasithola isikhathi sakuthi ube naye.
Mfowethu isinto sakithi sabekela ukuthi indaba yesithembu ibe semadodeni kwakuyisizathu leso.
So mengabe manje uthi wena the culture yakwaZulu ithi you can have polygamy. My only problem with you and the viewers at home, you guys will forgive me on this one. I am Zulu, you are Zulu, you are Tsonga.
Yes.
Yes. you guys have been together and you guys are willing to really make this relationship work. Officially, you guys, you said it's a relationship. I also am Hoya Jemo Balis. So my only issue now with you, since you just raised up in the scene, which the Zulu culture say allows you to have another woman in your life, with including her. So now, if you respect the culture and you obey culture, why you didn't communicate with Sekukona policy? You know, because now there was no way you were gonna be here on the show ANGISAKUFUNI. If she understood what she was gonna learn to understand it. You are Zulu, you respect you obey the culture, then why you don't respect the culture and do things the right way? Why you didn't let her be aware with it? There is now its own this man or
yahenaka mfowethu ngiyakuzwa kulokho angithi wena mfowethu uma uletha umamncane ekhaya awuvesane nje ugxume uye kumamkhulu umtshela ukuthi sekuza umamncane angithi akusho ukuthi ngilethe umamncane ngoba ngixhaphaza in ifoni yendoda ngesintu ayithinto
mina umbuzo wami simple straightforward. If you respect, if you obey the culture, why you didn't see the need of having a conversation with talk about Alice yourself before ubanjwe? Because we are saying mama ungathi khona umuntu ekuzisana naye omunye and ngifuna ukuthi nizwane and be aware of her because she might have to come around. Kube kuye ukuthi athi angifuni ukumbona angifuni ukuyizwa then wena udazeke inkani yakho umamele isinto kubeke bathi hayi ukuthi find out ngoba wena sekukhona ama-title izinto ongasamenzeli angifuni ukuthi kube ngathi ngiyatheka but you are the one who brought the point when you were saying your statement ukuthi isinto sithi but mina isinto esaziyo sithi yes there is a culture of polygamy, but there's ways of doing it so that the next person who's not much exposed or well informed in our culture is able to understand, and then they make their choice. Are they sticking around with you or not? So if manje so abantu ukuthi sekukhona nabantu uyabona ukuthi ayiseyona ke ukuthi manje ulandele iculture sekuthi wenzani uhamba ubheba ngaphandle.
Ngizwa mfowethu mina ngiyakuzwa wayibeka yonke lento oyibeka yakho ngiyakuzwa mfowethu nedi inkinga khona la ungayi understand ikhona mfowethu awukwazi ukuthi uwumfazi ne uphikithane nefoni yendoda angithi lapho kuzokuthola lokho okufuna mangizokuchazela ngizoba nendlela yokuthi ngidivectele situation ngikhona ukufika kumamkhulu ngimtshela ukuthi wemamkhulu lana yazi sekwenzeke u1 no 2 no 3 kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi wena uhluleka ukubambisana namlana lana uyaqhuma uyahlala uyayikhohla indawo yakho njengomfazi ukuthi wena kahle kahle ubekelwe ukuthi uhambe lana la kunendawo ekumele uze ufike kuzona nezinye kungakamele ufike kuzona angithi yabo nje namanje siphambi ko TV ngenxa ukuthi kumele sikhulume siyakhuluma angiyithandi indaba ukukhuluma yakwazi lokho angiphendulani isikhathi eside
hayi bafo ikhona besides ukuthi wena uhambe ulanda upalisa ngenxa yesinto okholelwa kuzo ikhona yena into ongathi ipush it away
ikhona
because mawukhuluma uyagudla so mina ngithanda ukuthi uvele uthi so wena ngifuna ukuthi wazi wena ngoba uyamlahla namhlanje ngifuna wazi ukuthi yini inkinga enze ukuthi azathole seyohoya impalisa lengaphandle yini bafelo ulokugudla uthi
uyabo wenkosazana empeleni ne hayi cha khona sibile nesikhathi esihle kumnandi isindawonye angithi nedi wemama ukhohla into eyodwa wena ukuthi mina angikuthanda ukukhuluma angikuthanda ukuthetha amacala ngiyamthanda umfazi owazi indawo yakhe eJardini angithi okunye ngiyamthanda umfazi ohlale indlu inukelela amakha kumnandi nje ngingabe sengithi ngiyaphithizela endlini ngicine sekunamacala phezulu kwamacala indlu ayikho nakhona sekungazuthi kuhlala amadoda kuphela ayibona leyo nto mama yikho ke ngazothi mina ngiyithandi nje lezi zinto lezo vese nje mawukuthi wena usho lento yeshoko yazo mama ngisho ngiliphinde ngithi ushentshweni uyayibona into leyo
so mangabe uthi
mina ngiye
usho entweni isintu yabona izaga lezisho not everyone get it. It's like forget about it. If you get it, get it. If you don't, so ibeke ngifuna uyibeke ngendlela azo understand ngayo, because now that's another thing. Mothi ushaya entweni. What do you mean?
Ngisho ukuthi we mama amagama akho kumina angasho ukuthi amagama mina bese ngilinda ukuthi ngiwasho ngaphambi kwena ukuthi washo.
So you were she dumped you. She's dumping you while you were already preparing yourself to dump her.
I dumped her long ago.
Ngokwakho.
Yeah.
You just didn't tell her.
Inkinga namfowethu azi ukuthi umuntu uma umbona ukuthi ayakuthanda and uzolimala imizwa kulikhona ukuthi umtshene ukuthi awusamthandi.
Hayi.
Kodwa ke izenzo ziyakhuluma ukudlula kuye kuthiwa action speak louder than words. Angazi noma bengaboni yena.
Hayi.
ngibengibona because that's why that time ngibuzile ukuthi kuhambani between wena noPalisa. Angithi ngibengibona manje ukuthi wena awusekho lana.
Yazona mama ukuthi wena mama ngicela ukuthi le ndaba nje ngikutshena iqiniso. Yazi ukuthi indaba kaPalisa iziqine nakumina ngibona uPalisa njengomfazini. uPalisa mengifike kuyena we mama yazi umbotoza mnandi ngithi ngihleli naye izinto ayikhuluma nami uju lodwa nje luyakhe enhlizweni yami liyanezezela nje lungishiya ngemnandi ma wena mangifika kuwena nje uyamemeza ngikhona
usho ukusini mangabe uthi ubotoza kamnandi. Is this about conversational manje? So ukhuluma ngocansi
konke mfowethu uPalisa wazi ukuthi ngena ngidinga amanzi ashisa ke ngwasha inyawo itiye lize loloma asithethe macala noPalisa maye kumele sithethe amacala nsuku zonke nothoka we mama mina ngeke ngikhona leyo nto le hayi amfazi
Ona story Steve
mama ngeke ngikhona
ina story what's the story
ngiyasazi
actor wena lamuhle kozibona sesho
cha ngikutshena indaba lokuthi mama ngifuna ukukhuluma ngifuna ukuthi masifike endlini izinto zethu
sesibalabula kuyiPalisa wena izile singasibalabula lokho mina nawe naye singilokuhlangana
ngikhulume nawe njani wena mama uhlale khuluma too much
ngibalabula ngofuna kenyo ishiendlo swa wena
hayi
leswi wena ushendla kusho kunibalabula
hayi mama siyeke lento nami nje ngikhathele nawe ukhathele sikhathele sesikhathazene ukukhathala konke
hayi yekeni talk miyekeni
yazi ikahle ukhathele sikhathazene azilima zeyitshela.
I thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have to end this episode. Talk brought Touch into the show to break up with him. Touch gets on the show. He says, Wakhe, he broke up with Talk a while ago. He just never told her because she's too in love. And the Touch. Even the names, it's Talk, it's Touch, it's TK. Guys, it's ending. It's ended. It's just ended in tears. One is already taken. TK is already with Palisa. Talk is still available. So you know what to do. Lapemakaya. #ANGISAKUFUNI. It is your favorite show on CMTV. My name is Mr. CMTVsa and I'm signing out. You know what to do. When your relationship is no longer giving you the fruity, then you leave it because there's no juicy anymore. #ANGISAKUFUNI. We're going to see you guys on the next episode. Like CMTV. Keep us growing and subscribe and do share the channel so that your friends can come through and watch all these amazing shows that we have. Nyansanda guys. Sharp.